All right, guys, what's up? So the next step is to publish the postmortem. A few steps to do that is first create a document based on the facts of the postmortem, then publish them throughout all of DevOps so everyone can see the facts. Once again, it's not about blaming; it's about just what's the facts. What do we need to understand about this incident? And in some cases, you will want to even stop production to have employees take the time and read it if necessary. I've just had some experience working with a software company where that was the case, where if there was something big and new, they would actually have to stop and do and read through it, and or they would present learning resources for us as well, trainings to go through, and then they would know if we had done them or not. So that's a pretty important culture. Next is just some helpful postmortem insights, or whether the problem was a scheduled or unscheduled incident. The postmortem owner, relevant chat logs, relevant Jira tickets for corrective actions, and links to customer forum posts related to the incidents. Decreasing incident tolerances basically is just about, in order to improve learning and growth, the bar of what constitutes an acceptable failure needs to be raised. Otherwise, the level of incidents will remain the same with limited improvement. And so once this occurs, incidents become less commonplace and you can focus on weaker failure signals, which basically just means that you can focus on the things that seem like they might be seemingly insignificant, but they actually are. And basically just get to a point where you are running more fluently without any issues. All right, thanks, guys. Just kidding, I got one more slide, sorry. Just an example really quick. NASA had an issue where they're on takeoff of the Columbia mission, a piece of foam dislodged from one of the fuel tanks on the way out. It seemed like it was a seemingly insignificant issue, but it was brought before the superiors, and they were like, "Oh, it's not a big deal. It's happened before, like whatever." And so that failure signal was ignored. But what it resulted in was an explosion on the way back in to the environment. So if they'd had a culture where they weren't ignoring issues like that, they may have caught that issue before it became a catastrophic error. So that's just an example of the importance of that. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.